Welcome. Level 4 of the Quickie. Let's go and jump it for 5. Right on down into those push-ups. You can do plyometric push-ups if that's in your practice today. If not, just regular push-ups will do. Let's go internal rotation, plyometric squats. This one's tricky. Try your best. Mobilizing those ankles and then right on down into that push-up position. Internal rotation for 5. Pop it up. External rotation. Squat it for 5. Power up through those feet. It's all through the feet here, baby. Good. Nice pace. Let's go. External rotation. Push-ups. Right on up. Right foot forward. Left foot neutral. Same idea. Let's go. Plyometric squats. Boom. Like Spider-Man for 5. And we're going to mimic that with our hands. Full push-ups for 5. Feel those fingertips. Feel your palms push up. Switching feet. And let's go. Using those arms, whatever you need to do to help you get up into the air and come back down. Good. Push-ups. Let's go. You're halfway there. If you need to come down to your knees, that's fine. Do what you can. Internal rotation, right foot forward. Explode through those feet. Absorb through those ankles, knees, hips. And then with the hands. Keep breathing. I know this one's tough, but it's worth it. Let's go. Opposite foot forward, internal rotation, and squat it. Feeling that mobilization, that wobbly through your ankles, that stability that you're building. And push-ups. Keep going with that tempo. Finding an external rotation, squat. I know you might be feeling tired. You're almost there. Hit it hard for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. Switch feet. Last round. Let's go. Yes. Push up through those toes. Fire it up. Let's go. Last round of push-ups. Home stretch. And you made it. Nice job, guys. Take a child's pose. Breathe. Beautiful job.